How to delete Suno AI account. First things first is you have to pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use to log into Suno. Now in this case, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome and just head directly to Suno.com's official site. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account in which or a specific account that you'd like to be removed from Suno. Now once you have logged in, all you have to do next is to navigate your mouse from the left portion of your screen, or just head directly to your user profile and then head over to Manage Account. Now once you're here, all of your connected accounts will show up below phone numbers, which is going to be this option right here. So say for example, you would like to remove an account from your Google, you should be able to see three dots beside the account that you have connected with. So to remove this, just simply click on the three dots and you will have no other options but just to remove it. So once you remove it, all the features that you have from Suno will be able to be deleted. Basically, you no longer have access to any of the features from Suno once you have removed or deleted your account. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can delete your account from Suno AI.